Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of water purification with a product that promises to deliver superior filtration right from your faucet. Introducing the PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System, the best water purifier available in the market. This innovative system is engineered to provide you with cleaner, better-tasting drinking water right at your fingertips. Let's explore why the PUR Plus is a game-changer in the realm of water purification. First off, this system boasts 3-in-1 powerful water filtration. It's the only faucet filter brand certified by both WQA and NSF to reduce 70 chemical and physical substances, including lead. Not only does it tackle common contaminants, but it's also NSF certified to reduce microplastics found in tap water. Plus, with its activated carbon and ion exchange purification method, you can trust that you're getting the cleanest water possible. Installation is a breeze with the PUR Plus. With just a quick, one-click, tool-free setup, you'll have filtered water on demand in no time. And here's a handy feature, the filter change light. It'll notify you when it's time to replace your filter, ensuring that you always have fresh, clean water flowing. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The PUR Plus is compatible with most standard faucets, so you can enjoy cleaner, mineral-rich water directly from your tap. Now, let's talk about the cost-effectiveness of the PUR Plus. This system can help you save up to $30 a week compared to buying bottled water, making it not only a smart choice for your health but also for your wallet. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what customers are saying about the PUR Plus. Customers rave about the performance, ease of installation, and the improved taste of their water. However, some have reported issues with leakage and durability. So it's essential to consider all factors before making your purchase. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best water purifier on the market, look no further than the PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. With its powerful filtration technology, ease of installation, and cost-saving benefits, it's a must-have for any household.